What's up everyone, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to add more spins to your flips. Okay, so let's say you want to do a backflip double full, but you can only full. This also applies to double full, to triple full and so on. The first thing you want to do is do your full and then try and go around, look for the ground and push your hips back and your leg like this. So instead of landing over here, try and land like this. This is called a hyper landing. So you're just adding a little 90-degree twist to your flip. After this, try and push even more, so you land over here instead. And then when you can do this, keep going even more, so when you're over here, try to push your hips over here. And now, when you're doing this, I recommend just doing your twist like this and then spot the ground and then twist. Then you don't get as confused in the air when you're just starting out. So throw, look for the ground and try and push your way over here. This should be a lot easier than a regular double full, because when you're throwing a regular double full, you come up, you go in and then you just twist and then you look at the ground in the end. So this shouldn't be as scary. So when you can do that, now try and do it with just one bounce instead. When you do it with one bounce, then you need to twist a lot harder, and then you can try how fast you can twist to see if you can do the actual double full. Okay, so if you can do that, now you can also try it from standing. This is optional, but it helps a lot with confidence when you're actually gonna do the twist. When you can do it from standing, now it's just a matter of committing, because you know you have the power to do it. You just haven't done it yet. What I recommend is try and get quite a lot of bounce, then it should be easier, and throw like you did before, but now try and throw a little bit more twist and less flip, and instead of stopping in the air and looking for the mat, try and go up and do both twists right after each other. Then you should have a double full. This could be a little hard with the timing in the beginning, but what's gonna help is you spamming those 1 3/4 fulls, because the timing is quite similar, just a little bit different. And now when you want to go from backflip 720 to 1080, it's the same thing, you just need to throw a lot harder. So start practicing doing your double full, open up and look for the ground when you come out of it. Look over here and try and swing with your leg back like this and push with your body like that, so you land like this. It can be just a little bit at first, but then slowly add more and more till you eventually can land somewhere over here. You can even turn your upper body so that it feels like you're doing a triple full. Still landing this way, if you land like this with your legs and your upper body like this. And after this, just do the same thing you did before. So do it with one bounce. Just spam those till you're really comfortable. Then it's just a matter of going for it. Especially with triple fulls, remember to not throw your head back as much in the beginning, because that's gonna make you over-rotate a lot easier. So make sure to throw up with your shoulders and get a good bounce before you start spinning. So you set and then you go in. When you go over from doing these like spins, looking for the ground and spin again, you want to make sure to straighten out your body, because that's gonna automatically make you do both spins at once instead of doing one, looking for the ground and then doing the other. Yeah, I think that's about it for this tutorial. If you like this video, then don't forget to leave a like and comment and whatever. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.